I whispered a winter charm just meant to chill the ale. Next thing we know, the cellar turned to blizzard in a pail. Snowdrift swallowing bar stools, icicles on the broom, and Patch slid in yelling,
"Wolfie, doom the storage room."
I stepped on foot inside there, the wind threw me back out. Heard the cider barrels screaming, pretty sure I heard them shout. I grabbed a rope for safety, tied it to the upstairs rail. Snow slug tackled me from nowhere. Why do slugs have icy tails? I tried to calm the blizzard down with gentle whispered tone. Instead it formed a tiny storm cloud claiming it was grown. It chased poor Rook in circles, zapped Mara in the shins. Failure closed the door while Snow snuck underneath and grinned. I tossed a bag of salt at it, it froze it in the air. Wolfie said, "Don't fight the weather." I said, "Why is it growing hair?" Patch tried to mop offensive, Wolfie conjured blowing frost. But every move we made just seemed to make the blizzard boss. Snowstorm in the cellar, swirling through the night. Who knew when Tiny's noise and Noah would try to pick a fight? Sorry about the freezing, sorry about the floor. At least it's festive, boomer. Wolfie, that's the problem. The cellar's gone to war. Snowstorm in the cellar, chair stuck to the wall. Patch yelling, everybody run, while taking snowfall calls. It started growing snow fangs, okay, that part's on me. It tried to unionize itself, the Frost Collective 3. I swear I meant for sparkle, just a gentle winter flow. But now the mugs are frozen in a swirling white tableau. Found the ale half buried, tucked it free from frost and dread. Then the blizzard tried to slap me, snowball straight across my head. I looked right at you, Wolfie said, "Next year let's get the spell." You just wagged your tail and giggled, but I like when things go well. Snowstorm in the cellar, swirling through the night. Mugs are skating by themselves and shells are taking flight. It may be catastrophic, but I promise it's on me. Wolfie, this is not a little, this is avalanche extreme.